Hello friends and my dear students. In this class I am starting the board class syllabus class 8th. Okay, in the previous video I told you about this. We will on this channel we will learn Amazing Maths tricks and board class syllabus. So from today I am starting the 8th class syllabus. Your first chapter is rational numbers. Okay, so what is the topic? Today's topic, rational number. Before learning this topic, we will learn some topics which we learned in the previous classes. Okay? So in the previous classes, we will learn about the natural number, natural numbers. Okay? I think everybody know about the natural number. Everybody know we start the counting from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these numbers are called the natural numbers. Okay. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash and so on. Okay. And we will denote it by the capital N. Okay. And when you include in the natural number 0, it will become the whole numbers. It will become which type of number? Whole number. That is denoted by the W. Okay? And when you include the negative numbers also in the whole numbers, just like 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 negative numbers -1, -2, -3, dash, dash, dash. When you include the negative numbers also in the whole number, you will get the integers. Okay, it will become the integers. Integers is denoted by the Z. Okay, I think you studied this type of numbers in the previous classes. Okay, so this is called the number system. You learn about this. Okay, so we will learn natural numbers. We will learn here natural numbers, capital N, that's are 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. Okay, these are the one type of number. Okay, when you include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will become the whole number. Okay, and when you include the natural number, when you include the negative numbers in this, you will got the integers. Integers is denoted by Z. So in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 and negative numbers also -1, -2, -3, dash, dash, dash. Okay, so it will become the integers. Okay, so many of the time you have to solve the questions is can we say the natural numbers are integers? Can we say the whole numbers are integers? Can we say the integers are natural number? So many times you have to solve this type of question in the true or false. Okay, so how can you solve it? You can see on the board natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. Means this circle is under this circle. Means you can say whole natural numbers are included in the whole numbers, but whole numbers are not included in the natural numbers. Okay, got it? Now when you say is the all natural numbers are integers, that answer will be yes, all natural numbers are integers. But when it is said that कि all integers are natural number, तो आप कहेंगे no, because in the integers negative numbers are also included, in the natural numbers are not included. Okay, this type you can make many of the questions and solve them according to you. Okay, so I think you have learned that. After in the number system, after the integers, you learned in the previous classes about the fraction. Okay, fraction. What do you mean by fraction? What is the use of fraction? First of all, fractions. What is the use of fractions? So fractions use when you have to divide something in the fixed part. In the any part you will got the fraction. Just like you have a bulb, okay, and you have to divide it in 4 parts. So you have to divide it into the 4 friends, between among the 4 friends. Okay, so you will divide it into the 4 parts. And how much part will each friend will get? How much part each friend will get? So how many parts total here? 4, and each person will get the 1 part. So what fraction will be there? 1/4. I think everybody know about it. Okay, so we can take one more example. If you have 10 toffees and you have to distribute that among 5 friends, so how much toffees will get each friend? So 2. Okay, so what will be the fraction? Total students are 5. Sorry, total toffees are 10 and number of friends are 5. So how much toffees will get? Each student will get 2 toffees. Okay, so how can you convert it into the fraction? 2 upon total number of toffees are 10. So it will convert into the fraction 1/5. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. Okay, so these are the fraction. Okay, now we will move on our topic, rational number. What do you mean by rational number? So what do you mean by rational number? Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. What you understand by this? Okay, so first of all we will learn the need of rational numbers. कि rational numbers की हमें जरूरत क्या है, हम rational numbers को क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है. So when you have to express 1/5, when you have to, and I'm taking one example. I will take one example. Okay, if you have to express anything, you have the loss of 50%. मान लीजिए आपको 50% का, पहले प्रॉफिट लेते हैं. We have the profit of 50%. So how can you denote it? 50%, it means 50/100. Means it will become into the fraction. So, but if you want to express the loss of 50%, so how can you denote it? You will denote it by the negative number. So it will convert 50/100 is equals to -1/2. You know this is the fraction 1/2, but -1/2 is not a fraction because fractions are always positive numbers. Okay, you have to remember this. And rational numbers can be positive and can be negative also. Okay, so first of all we will write the definition of rational number. Rational number. The numbers which can be expressed in the form of P/Q. Okay, where P and Q are integers. It means we will take P and Q's value from the integer. That can be positive also and that can be negative also. Okay, and that can be 0 also. But in the rational numbers, Q not equal to be 0. Okay, you can't take the q as a 0. If you take the 0 equal to if you take the q equal to 0, you will got this p divided by 0, and when you divide by 0 any number, you will got the not defined term, yeah, undefined term. Okay, how can you say this is the undefined? How can we say that this is the undefined? So I will take one example. If you want to distribute the 5, ऐसे मान लीजिए I am writing a fraction. Just okay. You give an exam of 20 marks. Okay, and you got the 5 marks. Yeah, you got the 15 marks out of the 20. So it will become the fraction. Okay, but if you take the 0, so is it possible to get the 15 marks from the 0? Not now. Yeah, if you want to distribute some toffees among the 10 friends, okay, so you will write 2 upon 10. Okay, but if you want to, can you distribute the 2 toffees between the 0 friends? Is it possible? क्या ये possible है कि हम 2 toffees को 10 friends के बीच, सॉरी 10 टॉफीज को 2 फ्रेंड्स के बीच में आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो. ओके, बट क्या 10 टॉफीज को आप 0 फ्रेंड्स के बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो? इट इज कन्वीनियंट, इट इज क्या ये अपना मतलब अपने बिहेवियर में है? ऐसा पॉसिबल है? नॉट पॉसिबल ना. सो यू कांट टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ q इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो we will got, when you take the q equals to 0, you will got the value of p is equals you will got the value of rational number not defined term. Okay, so we can't take the q equals to 0. Okay, we can write the example 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 5 upon 6 etc. You can take any number from here. Okay, so in the number system, so we have extend the number system. How? First of all, we learn about the natural number. After that, we will learn about the whole numbers, which is included in the natural number is included in the whole number. And after that, we will learn integers, and integers also included in the rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers. Okay, so this has become the our number system. Okay, so it is enough for today's class. If you learn something from this video, please like this video, and if you are on this channel first time, please subscribe this channel also. Thank you.